when I need help but don't know how to ask. She comes to me and wash away my past. She'll paint the picture that I long to see. She'll cast aside my worries and she'll say to me, today, today, you are who you're gonna be today. Today, you're one step closer today. Today, to being who you wanna be today. It's all you have, so just work with that. Oh, she brings me peace and she brings me power. Oh, she's there for me in my darkening hour. Don't know what I'd do without her. Oh, she gives me love and she gives me kindness. Oh, she's strong enough to forget my blindness. Don't know how I'd ever survive this without her, without Mother Nature guiding me. When I am lost and cannot find my way, she'll come to me to make sense of the day. She's the guiding light through the mist of my mind. She'll help me navigate how I should feel this time. Today, today, I am who I'm gonna be today. Today, I'm one step closer today. Today, to being who I wanna be today. It's all I got, so just work with that. Oh, she brings me peace and she brings me power. Oh, she's there for me in my darkening hour. Don't know what I'd do without her. Oh, she gives me love and she gives me kindness. Oh, she's strong enough to forget my blindness. Don't know how I'd ever survive this without her, without Mother Nature. Not the only one who's been around the sun, and things they've said and done ought to stay buried. I'm not the only one who lives and breathes among the lying thieves and scum who are out to steal the cherries. I'm not the only one who sees the fruit for what it truly is, and now has to fight for every shred of hope in one world that has succumbed too boring and to shun its only creator. I'm sorry, Mother Nature, for she brings me peace and she brings me power. Oh, she's there for me in my darkening hour. Don't know what I'd do without her. Mother Nature.